Hi, this is Sally from Shenzhen QBH. Today I will introduce you the KS02 inspection camera. This camera is a compact but full-featured video inspection system. First, let's see the whole package. Outside we have a cardboard. Open it, we can see the tool bag. Under the bag we have the user manual and the small magnet, hook and mirror accessory. On the back front we have a logo here. Right now it is our company logo, QBH, but we can customize for you. Back of the bag we have a belt clip. You can clip it on your belt so your hands can be free. Now let's unzip the bag. We can see two parts of the machine. The main unit on the left and the snake camera on the right. Now let's take them out and see the details. Front of the main unit, we can see there is also a logo here, which can also be customized for you. Below is the screen. It is 2.7 inch. Below that are the 5 buttons. The middle button is the on-off button. The top button is home. The left button is to control the image rotation and left arrow. The right button is to control the screen brightness and the right arrow. The last button is the LED brightness control. Now let's mount the camera. When mounting, please align the snake camera and also the main unit. Otherwise, it will break the pins inside and cannot connect. Now let's turn on the camera by pressing the on-off button 3 seconds. See, the camera starts works. Let's point the camera to inspect. The focus distance is 30 to 80 mm. In this range, we can inspect with best effect. If you want to adjust the screen brightness, press the right key to choose right arrow to increase the brightness, and to choose left arrow to decrease the brightness. If you want to adjust the LED brightness, choose the right arrow to increase the LED brightness and choose the right arrow to decrease the LED brightness. We also have the image rotation button here. To adjust the image direction, we have 4 directions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have a general knowing for the KS02 inspection camera. The camera advantages are the following 5 points. Number 1, small size. The camera size is about the size of a smartphone, but is much thicker, as it is powered by 4 pieces AA battery. Number 2, free your hands. After use, you can put the camera back to the bag and can attach to belt or in the pocket, so you can free your hands. Number 3, long and thin camera with flexible tube. The snake camera is 1 meter long with a 8.5 or 5.5 diameter camera. Camera tip containing 6 pieces LEDs. This tiny camera head can get into very narrow spaces. And we have rigid and semi-rigid tube options for different applications. Besides, the camera is waterproof. Number 4, HD screen. The screen is a high-resolution LCD screen which can inspect quite clear. Number 4, OEM available. We can do your logo on the machine and also on the package. We can do the dual color you want. This KS02 inspection camera is a great tool. It's great for auto and machinery equipment repair, and also perfect for many DIY projects such as the household inspection in kitchen or bathroom. If you are interested, please leave us messages. This is Sally from Shenzhen QBH. Thank you for your watching.